Hello fellas, hope you all doing fine. In my recent video, I reviewed and showed how to use Orico 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure case. If you haven't seen that video, click the above I button or link will be there in the description. Today, as per few viewers' suggestion, I am showing the speed test of this case. So let's get started. I don't have SSD, so I will be showing speed test with hard disk drive. These bottom 4 drives are partitions from an external hard disk. I will open one file and copy it to local laptop hard disk. As you can see, this file is 1.91 GB. Now copy and I will paste it on the desktop, which means it will go in C drive of the laptop. Here you can see it is transferring with average speed of 80 Mbps. Next I will transfer from laptop hard disk to external hard drive. As you can see, this is 1 GB file. Let's copy it. And paste. Here you can see average speed is 70 Mbps. Now let's copy within partitions of external hard disk. Here average speed is 35 Mbps. Hope you all find this video helpful. Do consider subscribing this channel. Let me know if you have any queries or suggestions for me. Also, if you have any suggestions for the next video, do let me know. That's it for today fellas. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.